A ticket. A plane ticket. A plane ticket. A movie ticket. A movie ticket. Take. Take. Take a plane. Take a plane. An airport. An airport. At the airport. At the airport. Buy. Are you on a plane now? No, I am not on a plane now. Are you at the airport? No, I am not at the airport. Are you at home now? Yes, I am at home now. Where are you now? I am at home now. Do you live on a plane? No, I don't live on a plane. Do you live at the airport? No, I don't live at the airport. Do you live in a house or in an apartment? I live in an apartment. Do you want to live on a plane? No, I don't want to live on a plane. Do you want to live at the airport? No, I don't want to live at the airport. Where do you want to live? I want to live in my house. Do you often take a plane? No, I don't often take a plane. Do you like to take a plane? Yes, I like to take a plane. Do you buy plane tickets on the internet? Yes, I buy plane tickets on the internet. Do you go to the airport to buy plane tickets? No, I don't go to the airport to buy plane tickets. Do you go to a movie theater to buy plane tickets? No, I don't go to a movie theater to buy plane tickets. Where do you buy plane tickets? I buy plane tickets on the internet. Do you often go shopping for food? Yes, I often go shopping for food. Do you go shopping for food once a month? No, I don't go shopping for food once a month. Do you go shopping for food 3 times a week? Yes, I go shopping for food 3 times a week. How many times a week do you go shopping for food? I go shopping for food 3 times a week. Do they sell food online? Yes, they sell food online. Do you like to buy food online? Yes, I like to buy food online. Do you often buy food on the internet? No, I don't often buy food on the internet. Do they sell used cars on the internet? Yes, they sell used cars on the internet. Do you want to buy a used car on the internet? No, I don't want to buy a used car on the internet. Do you want to buy a used cell phone on the internet? No, I don't want to buy a used cell phone on the internet. Do you often go on vacation? No, I don't often go on vacation. Do you go on vacation 7 times a year? No, I don't go on vacation 7 times a year. Do you go on vacation twice a year? Yes, I go on vacation twice a year. How often do you go on vacation? I go on vacation twice a year. Do you like to go on vacation to a hot country in summer? Yes, I like to go on vacation to a hot country in summer. Do you like to go on vacation to a cold country in winter? Yes, I like to go on vacation to a cold country in winter. Do you have a lot of free time Monday through Friday? No, I don't have a lot of free time Monday through Friday. Do you usually have a lot of work to do Monday through Friday? Yes, I usually have a lot of work to do Monday through Friday. Do you like to hang out with your friends when you have a lot of work to do? No, I don't like to hang out with my friends when I have a lot of work to do. Do you like to go to a movie theater when you have a lot of work to do? No, I don't like to go to a movie theater when I have a lot of work to do. Do you like to go to a movie theater when you have free time? Yes, I like to go to a movie theater when I have free time. When do you like to go to a movie theater? I like to go to a movie theater when I have free time. Do you buy movie tickets on the internet or at a movie theater? I buy movie tickets on the internet. Do they sell movie tickets at a movie theater? Yes, they sell movie tickets at a movie theater. Do they sell movie tickets on the internet? Yes, they sell movie tickets on the internet. Where do they sell movie tickets? They sell movie tickets at a movie theater and on the internet. Are you going to a movie theater? No, I am not going to a movie theater. Are you hanging out with your friends? No, I am not hanging out with my friends. Are you taking a plane to New York? No, I am not taking a plane to New York. Are you taking a plane to London? No, I am not taking a plane to London. Are you learning to speak Spanish? No, I am not learning to speak Spanish. What are you doing now? I am learning to speak English.